This is my frame, got it all bead blasted down, as you can see. Looks brand new. Tomorrow I got to I'll probably start with the primer on it. Over here we got cleaned up a bunch of stuff. Got my steering stem over here. I just got some miscellaneous parts. That's my Raptor shock I got. And then over here I got my swing arm and axle. I bead blasted this down, right? Yesterday. And it's already rusting. I don't know why that's there, but anyways, my engine, tried to clean it up. Yeah, my A-arms, got them all bead blasted down. I don't know, I might bore that out if I don't sell this, or I don't know. Might build it if I don't sell it. Alright, I'll keep you updated, and I should be painting tomorrow.